Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Hell Let Loose Vietnam microphone or voice chat not working. So here's what you're gonna do. You wanna launch the game, go to your settings, go to audio settings, scroll down till you find the voice chat settings. Now it says here voice chat input, and then you want to select which microphone you want to use for this. So the proper microphone you want to use, make sure that volume is not set to 0, and then simply close this out and try it out if the game works properly. Now you want to go to search, type in control panel. If this didn't help, go to sound, go to recording, and make sure that you're using the right microphone for this, and you want to make sure that it has like a tick next to it. So you want to select your microphone and click set default. Now if that doesn't help, go to settings, go to privacy and security. Now find here microphone and make sure that you have the microphone access turned on, and then that is set for the games, or that the let desktop apps access your microphone, that is set to on, and you want to exit out of this. Anyways, that's it for this video. That's how you fix Hell Let Loose Vietnam voice chat microphone not working. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.